In this video, we will demonstrate 3 at-home methods you can use to accurately measure your ring size. You can also have your finger measured using a jeweler's sizing tool. This can be done at a local jewelry store or a superstore such as Walmart. Or a plastic sizer can be purchased online. More details will be given at the end of this video. The items you will need to measure your ring size are a ring sizer chart. Click the link underneath this video to print your ring sizer chart. Be sure that when you print the chart, your printer is set to 100% scale or no scale. We will demonstrate how to make sure that it has been printed correctly in a moment. You will also need a ruler, a pair of scissors, string that doesn't stretch, dental floss will work great, and, if it's available, a ring that fits, even if it's not your own.
To start off, let's check to make sure the ring sizer chart was printed correctly. Place the ruler next to the scale checker as shown. If the page is too small, the distance between the 0 and the 2 will fit inside of the 2-inch measurement on the ruler. If the page is printed too large, the space between the 0 and the 2 will go outside of the 2-inch mark on the ruler. If the page was printed correctly, then the 0 and 2 mark on the ring sizer chart will line up with the 0 and 2-inch mark on the ruler. First, the string method. You can either use string or floss. In this video, we will be using floss. Select which finger you are going to wear your new ring on. Then take the floss and wrap it around the widest part of your finger, usually your knuckle. Make sure there isn't any slack while still being careful not to cut into your finger. Keep your fingernail in place where the floss overlaps so you can measure the length of the string. You can also have someone else help you. Have them wrap the floss around your finger, allowing it to overlap and twist. Then take the scissors and carefully cut the floss next to your finger, where the floss intersects. Be sure not to wrap the floss around the base of your finger, as this may result in a measurement that is too small. Also be sure that when you wrap the floss around your finger, that you wrap it straight in order to prevent a measurement that is too long. When measuring, use the metric side of the ruler for more accurate results. Next, use the ruler to measure the length of the string. Go back to the ring sizer chart and locate the size measurement scale. Use the column found under circumference and millimeters to locate your correct size based on your measurement. When using this method, you may want to try it a couple of times until you get the same measurement. We measured 59 millimeters, which is approximately a size 9. Second, the paper sizer method. First, locate the paper sizer on your ring sizer chart. Carefully cut out the paper sizer. Then fold the end of the paper in half on the small black line as shown. Now carefully cut out the middle section without cutting the edges. This will make a small opening for the next step. Insert the pointy end of the ring sizer into the small slit with the numbers facing out. Place the sizer over the biggest part of your finger as shown and pull the pointed end until it closes around your finger. Your ring size is the number that is visible through the slit. As with the last method, do not pull too tight as this may cause the sizer to rip and give an incorrect measurement. Third, the current ring method. When measuring a ring that already fits your finger, place the ring on top of the circles on the ring sizer chart. Make sure that you cannot see space between the ring and the circle as shown. If so, the size listed on the circle is too small. When you place the ring over the correct